So anyway, guys, it's Samara Pizan Wasale. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe and to like it, comment. Say happy Saturday, happy 2026. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. But without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. Before we get to Toby Lemseleko, let's start here, guys. Do you still remember the famous couple Osamkelo Sheze and Hlengiwe Dlamini, known as Mbali Wabantu, the manager of the world? Guys, they were dating for more than a year. He even paid a bride price to Mbali, guys. Unfortunately, it ended in tears last year in December. So today it is Mbali's birthday, guys. Osamkelo decided to be a good ex. He posted a picture of Mbali, guys. Let me tell you one thing about Mbali, guys. There's something special. Her ancestors are so powerful. The picture is currently sitting on 160,000 likes, guys. And people are saying, when you are just using Mbali as a content, you know very well Mbali, she doesn't like you, but here you are busy posting Mbali, guys. So Mbali has a new boyfriend, guys. The boyfriend before Mbali, the guy was sitting on 11,000 followers. Let me tell you right now, the guy is sitting on 134 followers within less than a month. Mbali started dating this guy this month in January, guys. One thing about Mbali, guys, she's the girl that she thinks she is. She needs to be very careful because sometimes people, they will use this. So anyway, guys, let's get to another story, guys. Amahle and Mpumelelo, they are currently trending. For those who know what's going on, Mpumelelo Mseleko and his first wife Amahle have given birth. It is said they've given birth at a public hospital because the man of the house couldn't afford to pay for private hospital and he doesn't have a medical aid. You know, when it comes to the Mseleko's family, guys, the medical aid, some people, they don't like paying medical aid. There are people that give birth at a public hospital, but they do have a medical aid, guys. You know, sometimes there's nothing wrong going to a public hospital as long as you are safe, you know. So anyway, guys, let's get to Thobile Mseleko, Mosam Seleko's third wife. So for those who don't know what's going on, Thobile, she will be hosting a birthday lunch on her birthday, 21 February 2026. Guys, the price is so reasonable. To reserve your seat, you only need to pay 440, guys. I've seen celebrity doing their birthday lunch, birthday party. You will end up paying 1,000, 2,000. For Thobile, guys, to say you only need to pay 450, that's not a lot, guys. I've seen celebrity doing the most. We all know that they are coming back for Turning a Temple season 9 and they will be trending like nobody. This is a good opportunity to meet her followers. She understands that not everybody can pay 1,000, 1.5, 3,000. She can charge this amount of money, guys. The people will still pay. People love Thobile, guys. So I think this is so reasonable. Let's engage in a comment section. What do you think? Are you also going to attend it? Thobile's lunch? Tell me in the comment section. What do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe. So like it, comment. Happy Saturday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.